It's time for the Intense 5. What made the list? $1.5 billion worth of cocaine seized in St. Thomas. The packages were just floating in the water. Big up the JDF Coast Guard for the seizure. $1.5 billion. Wow.
Macca Diamond is not too happy with Nicki Minaj. Apparently, Macca submitted a remix to Megatron Challenge, and although Nicki liked the post, she hasn't reposted it.
Hey, they call me Macadocious, aka Macca Diamond. I change my diet, eating fruit, that's how I get my iron. High some dates if I feel I'm low on iron. My skin is colorful, glowing like a box of crayons. I won't ever retire, I'm still a busy flyer. For those who wish me bad, all I do is say a prayer. I'm looking good from my age from with still a higher. How long it took to get the place, I can catch a fire.
Macca says Nicki fighting out Jamaicans, but the little guy from Spanish Town was reposted though. Macca, you never said that, so I'm not really too sure. better she just said she a fight her out.
Did Candy Wow get a contract with Cranwater? Well, if she did, big ups to you, girl.
Okay.
Water with wow.
What do you think about the top Conscience wore in his recent video shoot? Of course, comments were coming in, but hey, Conscience, you look good. Just saying.
And finally holding the spot this week, Cardi B cancels a concert after a threat was made on her life. Better to be safe than sorry, okay? Yeah. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.
Up next, Sanjay gets the real scoop. Intense soon forward.